Welcome to my review of the Omega Swatch collaboration. This is the Mission to Mars watch. I bought this a couple of years back, so it's just not a new watch. The only difference is I recently changed the strap. I never really did like the strap too much on the original watch. The way the band sort of bent into your watch. So I saw this strap on Amazon and decided, you know what, let's buy this new strap and give it another try. And I think this looks much better than the original strap. Let me know what you think. Comments below if you agree with me. It wasn't that expensive. I'll leave a link to the strap that I bought on Amazon. They also do different other straps as well for the other Swatch watches. Now, a little bit about this watch. It is a quartz chronograph. Case diameter is 42 millimeters. Thickness is 13.25 millimeters. Lug to lug is 47.3 millimeters. Water resistance to 3 bars for 30 meters. Now, let me put this on my arm so you can see what it looks like. Always a bit difficult with these. Do bear with me. Very hard to do this with gloves. But there you go. My wrist is 7-inch wrist. This is how it looks like with the new strap. It is a silicone strap. I think goes pretty well with this watch. To be honest, I intend to hand this watch down to my son. He's 12, and I think this will suit him quite nicely. It's more of a children's watch as well. Okay, next thing I'll do is I'll take it outdoors so you can see what it looks like outdoors. And we'll go from there. We're outdoors with the Moonswatch. The custom strap on from Amazon. You know what you think of the strap? I think it goes quite well with my watch. Most likely, I probably will pass this on to my older son, my 12-year-old. It will probably suit him quite nicely in time. Let me know what you think. Please leave a comment below. Share, subscribe, and like. And catch you in the next video.